Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be really short because I'm just going to speak about hair health and the basic mistakes that we all are doing. हमारे hair care routines already बहुत complex हैं. So this video is actually about minimizing them. It's about making them easier, and it's about letting your hair and your body breathe. Let's get into the video. सो फीमेल पैटर्न हेयर लॉस इतना पॉपुलर हो गया है, इतना ज्यादा prevalent हो गया है. A lot of people that suffer with female pattern hair loss are people that are suffering with PCOS, PCOD, menstrual syndrome issues, and of course people also enduring perimenopausal or menopausal symptoms. Recently I've been receiving a lot of DMs of people being like, मुझे बहुत hair fall हो रहा है, it falls on my pillow, it falls in the shower, I watch it on my floors, it's everywhere. And honestly, if I could turn the camera and show you that this is my floor right now. So it's all of us. First of all, it's all of us. Okay, we're not gonna go bald. हम सब गंजे नहीं हो जाने वाले हैं, ठीक है? But yes, hair fall has become a very, very, very prominent issue. I understand your concern, but let me tell you, it's not as bad as it seems. You think it is, but it's not. So the basics are obviously food. Okay, because आपके अंदर क्या जा रहा है that determines everything on the outside, be it your skin, be it your emotions, be it your behavior, be it your hair, nails, etc. Right? So very good vegetarian options obviously are dal, legumes, nuts, seeds. Also research says quinoa and soy products, but then again I would ask you to be wary of quinoa and soy products because first of all they're not local, so there could be production issues in them. And secondly, soy products are good for those that do not have an estrogen dominance. Another reason why I emphasize so much on intuitive eating, because जो हमें preferences लगती है, those are actually your body's signs of asking you to eat something or not eat something. I wouldn't worry much about it as long as you're having good portions of dal, good portions of sabzi. I think it is not going to be an issue. And of course, sources of protein are important. So I think Cosmix does a very good clean form of protein powder that you could always go for sattu. Sattu is a very good powder. My family also used to use it at one point. I would say Indians as a whole are protein deficient, and it would be very nice if you increase your dal content, decrease your sabzi content, or increase your dal content, have a lesser roti. Treat dal like soup, have more of it if you're vegetarian, if those are some things that you deal with. Of course, for non-vegetarians, all protein is good protein. So eggs are great, fish is great. I think आपका safest bet is जो आपका घर का खाना है, वो ज़्यादा खाओ. That is, I think, that is the easiest thing I can say, because let's not overcomplicate this, right? If we come to the types of hair fall, one of the hair fall is high cortisol levels. High cortisol levels obviously comes from your activities, obviously comes from the lifestyle that you live, but it's also the food that you eat, the food that is inflaming your body and making conduction of everything else much more difficult. As much as the importance is on food, I would say वो सब लोग के hair fall का reason है, source वो नहीं है. Because देखने जाओ तो खाना ज़्यादातर सबका घर का ही होता है. And I don't think there's a lot of nutrition issues. Even if there are nutrition issues, the only solution for that is भाई घर का खाना खाओ. Because अब जितना बाहर का खा रहे हो, उसमें nutrition नहीं है. It fills your hunger, it gives you energy, but उसमें nutrition नहीं है. I had to put earphones in because that's what happens when you live in a Punjabi Gujarati household. So I know कि मैंने अब तक जो चीज़ें बोली है वो थोड़ी सी आपको irrelevant लग रही है, but they are a part of the whole. We come down to what is the problem with your hair and how do we fix that. So from all the DMs that I've got, common issues I've seen are dandruff, oil production in different areas that cannot be managed, and then a combination of an oily scalp and dry hair. First of all, dandruff. Dandruff is the overgrowth of a bacteria, and जो flakes आते हैं आपके बाल पे, जो collection होता है आपके बाल में, that is an inflammatory response. Shampoos, most hair oils, most medication focus on getting rid of the dandruff. But अगर आप वो बैक्टीरिया को ही ठीक नहीं कर रहे हो तो फिर dandruff आपका कभी बंद ही नहीं होने वाला है, right? What we can do right now is avoid very, very, very harsh chemicals. हमारे सारे shampoos are very harsh. They have a whole paragraph full of ingredients, and we don't need that stuff. We don't want that stuff, right? So what I would always suggest is oil your hair, okay? And then wash your hair only when you have oil on your head. Don't oil overnight, don't oil for multiple days. Oil it 2 hours before you wash your hair. अगर आप आज सुबह धोने वाले हो तो या तो एक रात पहले कर दो, or maybe just shift today's hair washing to the evening so you can apply oil in the afternoon or close to whenever you're going to take a bath. Why is that? Is because shampoo really messes with the pH levels, it messes with the oil production, and it causes more problems than actually fixing it. Always oiling your hair before you shampoo. It could be an hour in advance, it could be 2 hours in advance, it could be overnight. Okay? But also, do not keep oil in for more than overnight, because oil staying in is only going to lead to accumulation of dust, accumulation of pollution, accumulation of, अगर आपको dandruff है तो उसके flakes, तो वो आपकी pores को clog करने वाला है. Okay? So oil should always be there on your head when you shampoo, but it doesn't have to be for multiple days. It doesn't even have to be overnight. Point is, naked scalp shampoo never. Second advice I'm going to give you, I feel like आप सब बहुत हिल जाने वाले हो, and I think सबको थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा हार्ट ब्रेक होने वाला है, but please stop using conditioners as a whole. I stopped using conditioner a while back, and हाँ, एक दो shampoos रखते हैं for it to get to the level where it looks nice or it shines, but you have to give your body that time. You have to give your hair the break, because oil clogs your pores. ठीक है? Shampoo strips you of your natural oils. ठीक है? Conditioner sits in the ridges of your hair. We've all seen the hair ka structure. It has ridges, right? That's where it breathes from. That's where everything goes in from. Conditioner sits in those ridges, जिससे आपका एक strand smooth हो जाता है. That then leads to your hair falling because it can't breathe, right? So cut off conditioner completely. Shampoo only and only your head, your scalp. शैम्पू जब आप धोते हो तो वो यहाँ से निकल के आपके बाल को क्लीन कर लेगा, बट योर हेयर इज टू सेंसिटिव फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ शैम्पू. सो नेवर रब द शैम्पू इन योर हेयर. दैट शुड नॉट बी हैपनिंग. Skip conditioner, skip serums. Skip conditioner, skip serums. I swear to God, give it 2 months, give it 3 months, it's going to be a game changer. But cut them out completely. You will first notice a decrease in hair fall. Then you will start noticing a change in the quality of your hair. Honestly, this is something that's changed my hair fall too. I had PCOS, I had very high levels of androtestosterones, dandruff, dry hair, oily scalp situation. It was the worst, and मैं literally अपने बाल गिनती थी. मेरे दिन में 200 जैसे बाल गिरते थे. And honestly, it was the worst. I used to wake up every single day and I would avoid the mirror. I would avoid washing my hair. It was a nightmare. But trust me, guys, you get over that. You get over that. And the solution was always right in front of us. The solution was always reduction of steps instead of addition of creams, of serums, of formulae, of ghar ke nuske. We don't need that. One trendy mainstream thing that's actually really worked for me and for a few others that I know is rosemary water. After I wash my hair, right after I wash my hair, when it's wet, I put it all over my roots and I massage it in just very lightly. So it decreased my hair fall. Now, why is that? Because of course, rosemary on its own naturally is a product that stimulates hair growth, but also it is antifungal and antibacterial, which leads to the decrease of bacteria, which causes overall production and things like dandruff or flakes in your hair. So it does a dual role there, which is very good. I love it. I would highly recommend it. हमें बस calm down होने की ज़रूरत है. हमें अपने hair care routines को minimize करने की ज़रूरत है. Another reason for hair fall is high levels of stress, more than that your body can cope with. मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कि stress मत करो. That is unrealistic. Everyone's problems are real and they have to be dealt with whether you like them or not. What I can help you with is methods to not let the stress get to your hair. First of all, I would advise nettle leaf tea. Okay, nettle leaf, make sure it's nettle leaf. It should not be nettle powder. Nettle powder bhi ho sakta hai, but basically we don't want the root of the plant because only nettle leaf is consumable. Nettle root is toxic. Tulsi tea, clove water, nettle, tulsi, clove. These are my top 3 to reduce inflammation, to reduce stress. And honestly, it's a very nice thing to have. Sone se pehle in dim lights in your room, just sip on it, so jao. It's gonna like give your body a nice little time to sleep signal. So I would highly advise it, especially right before sleeping. So आपके stress levels थोड़े regulate हो सकते हैं. If you're a female and you're watching this, I don't care what age you are. I don't care what your profession is. I don't care what your home situation is. You have to get 9 to 10 hours of sleep in at a stretch. आपको चाहिए अब रात को जल्दी सोइए. अगर आप अरेंज कर सकते हैं आप दिन में लेट उठिए. Of course, that's not the best solution there is. But try to get 9 to 10 hours of sleep because as females, our body regulates our hormones in the sleep cycles that we experience at night. The most important component, tapping or massaging your head right before you go to sleep. This is the thing that I tell every girl that I speak to. Your hair has anywhere between 75 lakh to 80 lakh hair strands. आपको वो नंबर समझ रहा है? 75 lakh to 80 lakh. And the hair fall that you might have on even the worst of days will not be more than 200 hair strands. Okay? So I know जब वो बाल गिरते हैं, जब वो गुच्छे बनते हैं, जब आपका फ्लोर पे आपको बाल दिखता है, it feels like the end of the world. And it really does. I'm not saying you're making this up in your head. It really does. There are no external products required to make what is yours. You make this on your own. ये जो बने हैं, ये मैंने बनाए हैं, ये मैंने खुद ने बनाए हैं. And जो आपके सर पे है, वो आप बनाते हो. So how is an external serum, external product going to help you? What's inside of you? Your hair wants to heal. Your body wants to heal. And by following these few basic steps and reducing the amount of exposure of chemicals on your hair, you're going to give your hair and your body that chance. And trust me, you're going to have a hair full of hair in absolutely no time. By which I mean anywhere between 6 months to a year, but absolutely no time. I hope this was a helpful video. I hope you can share this with people who might be experiencing a lot of hair fall. And see you guys next time.